Home Show Radio.
Ryan from Sumner, Washington has a question about AC problems.
Yeah, he just had a new AC put in, Tom, with Nest thermostats, and he's wondering, could that be part of the problem? Ryan writes to us, I notice the outdoor unit runs constantly all day. He says, even when it's 70s and 80s, it never hits the set temperature that I put up on it. My house is 2 floors, 2,200 square feet, 8-foot ceilings throughout, and consists of many hot computers and appliances. He's up there in Washington, right? Anyway, I believe the AC is a 2.5-ton unit. Is it possible, Tom, this thing's undersized?
Yes, big time. It is totally undersized for the size of the house. And so it has nothing to do with a thermostat. A thermostat can't make it go faster. It only stops it when it gets there. It's a brake. So that goes with a Nest or any kind of thermostat. It's just too small. It's a simple answer for a problem that's a little more complicated than they approached it as. I don't know why they give you 2.5 tons for a house that size.
So what are his options?
Getting a bigger system. It's brand new. He just had it put in. Call them out and say, hey, this thing isn't working. They did something wrong. They need to stand behind it. I hope they will. And not just give them, oh, well, it's fine. It's just the way it is. You know, that's not the answer.
Especially, like you
not
said,
the right answer.
Especially if it's a new system. He's got to make sure that it's right. Exactly.
I would be really upset if it ran all the time, never got to temperature.
Yeah. Isn't that why you get
one? Yeah.
That's why you get AC, isn't it? All right. You got a question?
You know, when you want to buy another system too,
right,
and get 2 systems, that could solve a problem, but I think it's unfair for him to have to buy a second system.
Right, because I started thinking, well, maybe mini splits or something, but you're right. If this is a new
that's just
system,
a whole other expense of thousands of dollars.
Right.
When they should have just done it right the first time.
Exactly right. You got a question? Tom can help you out just like that. Go ahead and visit our HomeShowRadio.com website. Click on that Ask Tom button, fill it out, send it in, and we'll do a video like this. We'll post them every day on our website, our YouTube channel, and our Facebook page. If you haven't liked and followed or whatever it is you do with Facebook, we'd sure appreciate it.